Hello, my name is Ruth Grigg from Dyslexia Services, and we're looking at punctuation again today. We're looking at apostrophes. So apostrophes can be used in two different ways. So the first way we're going to look at is apostrophes that bring two words together. It's called a contraction. And what happens is some of the letters are taken out. We have an apostrophe, which shows where the letters are missing, and then we put the ending on the word. So let's have a look at some of them, shall we? So an apostrophe is used to show where one letter or more than one letter has been missed out. Let's have a look at this one. Do not. Most people don't say do not, do they? Most people say don't. So what's happened here is these two have been contracted together. That means they've been pushed together. And the O here has been taken out. So it says D-O-N-T, don't. You have to have that apostrophe there to show that the letter is missing. Let's look at the next one. I am. That's a nice easy one, isn't it? I am. So the letter that's missing here is the A. So it says I'm. That's two words squashed together is I'm. We will. Now I think there's more than one letter in this one, isn't there? Let's have a look. We, that's the same. W-I is missing, isn't it? These two here. W and the I. They're not there anymore. We've got W-E apostrophe L-L. Will. Cannot. Ooh, this changes, doesn't it? Quite a bit. So let's look at this. One of the N's is out. And the O. Two letters are missing from this. So you've got k, a, t, can't. Well, we say can't. Some people might say can't. So you've got two letters missing, and that apostrophe shows that they're missing. What about this one? Are not. So we shorten this word, these two words, sorry, to aren't. Are not becomes aren't, and we're just missing the O. They're squashed together, look, and there is your apostrophe to show where the missing letter should be. And this one is they have. That's squashed together and that becomes they've. Let's see what's missing. So we've got they here, they. And you've got the apostrophe and VE. So these two letters here are missing. They've. I've added a few more at the top. Shall I have a quick look at those? Have not becomes haven't. There's again one letter missing. The O. Haven't. Have not becomes haven't. Were not. We were not there. This becomes weren't. Again, there's only one letter missing. But you have that apostrophe there to show where it's missing. And we have becomes we've. And we've got two letters missing on this one. Let's have a look. So we've got these two, W-E, W-E. We haven't got the H and we haven't got the A. But we've got the V and the E. We've. So that's end of part one. And then we're going to be looking at how a different way of using apostrophes to show when they belong to somebody. So that's in the next part. Just hold on for a moment. So apostrophes are also used to show when something belongs to somebody. For instance, Suzanne's game. The game belongs to Suzanne, so the apostrophe goes there and the S there. It's her game, Susan's game. She owns the game. Okay, look at this one. The doctor's surgery. Now look, this time the apostrophe is on the end after the S. Do you know why? Because there's more than one doctor at the surgery. So if there's two or more people that own something or belong somewhere, the apostrophe, goes after the S and not before. So let's go back down to this one. The winner's trophy. There's only one winner. So because there's one winner and one trophy, the trophy belongs to the one winner. The apostrophe goes there. The winner's trophy. Let's see if we can do this little exercise. Okay. Can you match the people with the things that they might own and write a sentence about them with an apostrophe in the correct place? So let's have a look. So we've got children here. Oh, I need to change that to drawing a line. So I'm going to do that. Children's toys. So that would be the children's toys. That would have an S here. Because there's more than one child, the children's toys, the apostrophe goes afterwards. And then we could do a sentence here about the children's toys. Let's try that. Let's try a sentence about the children's toys and put the apostrophe in the right place. Oh, here we go. The children's toys were all over the floor. But look where I put the apostrophe there. It's not in the right place, is it? Let's try that. There. I hope you can see that now. So the children's toys were all over the floor. There's more than one child, the children's, so it goes there. Let's try the policeman's. Let's try this one, policeman. Yeah, let's try this one, just one tick. Try the policeman. What would match? Wouldn't be his tray, wouldn't be his scripts or a messy desk or hammers or a spacesuit. Handcuffs. So this would be apostrophe S. The handcuffs belong to the policeman. Let's do a sentence. Let's see if I can do it here. The policeman's handcuffs were on his belt. Oh, belt. Let me just pull that out. Can you see that? Can you see where the apostrophe is? The policeman's handcuff. One policeman. So the apostrophe goes before the S, and the handcuff belongs to the policeman. Okay, let's try another one. What about the teachers or the actors? Let's try the actors, shall we? The actors' scripts. They have to have a script before they can do their acting. I wonder where that would go. There's more than one actor, so I think the apostrophe goes afterwards, doesn't it? Let's see what we can say about the actors. The actors, and I'm putting the apostrophe afterwards because there's more than one actor. The actors' scripts, there was even more than one script, were missing. Oh no. The actor scripts were missing. There is more than one actor, so I put it there after the S. The actor scripts were missing. Now, I'm not going to have time space to do all of these, but I will try to do a few more. Okay, let's look at this one. The builder's hammers. I'm going to assume again there's more than one builder. So let's see what we can do here. So I've put the apostrophe after the S. Let's see what we can say about the builder's hammer. The builder's apostrophe hammers were in the tool box. There's more than one builder. Because there's more than one builder, you have the apostrophe here. So let's try another one. The teacher's, I'm going to say messy desk. Just suppose it's only one teacher. So I'll put the apostrophe there. The teacher's messy desk. So a sentence I might say is, the teacher's messy desk was at the front of the classroom. Or the doctor's surgery. I would put S here. There's more than one doctor at a doctor's surgery and the apostrophe afterwards. So I could put the doctor's surgery was full with the S and the apostrophe afterwards. We've got waiter's tray. I'm going to put an apostrophe here and just talk about one waiter. The waiter's tray, the tray belongs to the waiter. The waiter's tray was heavy. Okay, let's try astronaut. Let's go this way. This is very messy, isn't it? The astronaut, I'm talking about one astronaut, okay. The astronaut's spacesuit was very heavy. So that's a good sentence. You'd put the apostrophe there and the S there. We're talking about one astronaut. Okay, is there one left? I think there is. The musicians' guitars. So I'm going to assume there's more than one musician. So I'm going to put the S there. Meaning apostrophe there, sorry. And guitars. The musicians' guitars were on the stage. So more than one musician, two or more, put the apostrophe after the S. But you still know that the guitars belong to the musician. So I'm going to clear the board. You ready? There you go. Have a look. What would you do? Perhaps you could take a copy of the screen and you can have a go at matching the words to things that they might own And then perhaps you can have a go at writing a sentence with the apostrophe in the right place. Remember, if there's more than one, apostrophe goes after the S. If there's one, it goes before the S. Good luck with that. I hope you get on well with it. Let me know how you get on. And I hope to hear from you. Please let me know how you get on. And I'd love to hear from you. Okay, take care for now and bye.